Ever wondered how our legal system in India creates the laws that govern us? It's a complex dance of intricacies and nuances, a multifaceted process that involves the three branches of the government: the legislative, the executive, and the judiciary. Each plays a pivotal role in shaping the laws of our land. The legislative branch, often regarded as the lawmaking body, drafts and introduces bills. The executive, which includes the President and the Council of Ministers, executes these laws. The judiciary, spearheaded by the Supreme Court, interprets these laws, ensuring they align with the Constitution of India. These branches don't work in isolation. They interact, negotiate, and sometimes even clash in the journey of a bill becoming a law. It's a delicate balance of power, checks and balances, a testament to the democratic nature of our Constitution. Now let's delve deeper into the fascinating process of how a law is actually made in the Supreme Court of India. So, where does a law actually originate? Great question. A law in its infancy begins life as a bill. Imagine a bill as the seed that has the potential to grow into the towering tree that is a law. Now, who can plant this seed? Well, it could be a minister or even a private member, and it's presented in either House of Parliament, the Lok Sabha or the Rajya Sabha. Let's pause for a moment here. This is the initial stage of lawmaking, where the idea is first introduced. It's a crucial step, setting the foundation for what may eventually become a law. The person introducing the bill is like a gardener, preparing the soil and sowing the seed, hopeful for the growth that lies ahead. Remember, this is just the beginning, the birth of a potential law. Once a bill is introduced, it's time for some serious debate. And that, my friends, is where the real action begins. No law is passed without a thorough discussion. This is where the real action begins. The Indian legislative process is broken down into 3 readings, each crucial in refining the proposed law. The first reading is the initial stage where the law is introduced. It's a chance for lawmakers to get an understanding of what the proposed law entails. The second reading is where the real debate kicks off. This stage is essentially the heart of the lawmaking process. Here, each clause of the proposed law is examined, debated, and possibly amended. It's the lawmaker's opportunity to scrutinize every detail to ensure the law will serve its intended purpose. The third reading is the final review. Here, the now polished and refined law is debated as a whole. If the majority of the lawmakers vote in favor, the bill is passed in that house. But the journey is not over yet. The bill now moves to the other house. The other house now gets to have its say. But what happens next? Well, the bill is now brought before the second house, where it goes through a similar process of intense debate and voting. This is to ensure that the proposed law is examined from all angles and that every member gets an opportunity to voice their opinion. Once it's been passed by both houses, the bill isn't quite a law yet. It needs one more seal of approval, that of the President. The President gives their assent, and voila, the bill transforms into a law. But the journey doesn't end there. The Supreme Court, the guardian of our Constitution, plays a vital role. They interpret the law and ensure that it's constitutionally valid. If any part of the law seems unconstitutional, the court has the power to strike it down. And there you have it, the journey of a bill to a law in the Supreme Court of India. The process of lawmaking in India is a complex yet fascinating journey. From the birth of an idea, it evolves through rigorous debates and votes. The final steps are equally crucial, involving careful scrutiny and approval. The Supreme Court plays a pivotal role, ensuring laws are constitutionally sound and just. It's a testament to the democratic spirit of India, where every law is designed with the sole objective of upholding justice and serving the best interests of the people. In the end, it's all about creating laws that uphold justice and serve the best interests of the people.